Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one interesting aspect of Firefox is, of course, that we talked about it in a video last week when the Department of Justice asked Google to depart itself, first of all, of Google Chrome, and also to stop paying companies for search. It impacts Mozilla a lot because Firefox is getting hundreds of millions of dollars to use Google search. So, what can happen if all of that money goes away? And could it be the final nail in the coffin of Firefox? That is, honestly, pretty much losing ground. It's lost most of its market share that it once owned, and was close to 20% at one point, and now it's barely making it at 3-4%. So one of the things that apparently it's doing, it's in talks with Chat GPT for AI capabilities. It would actually replace the search box here with an AI search. And that would make it probably the first, not the first browser to use AI, but it would make it the first browser to make it default, make the search an AI-only search. So this would be kind of interesting. I don't know if it would change anything. And of course, what would be the deal? I mean, there would need to be money involved here for them to use it. And that is far from being something that would happen. But for now, that would be apparently one of the ways that they could survive if one, or if either ChatGPT or one of the companies would say, "Hey, I'll be your search engine, but I'll pay you this amount." We, of course, think about Microsoft that has Bing. Of course, it could just, look at Microsoft, and Microsoft might make a deal with them. But it's going to be tough times for Firefox, honestly. It's, the only browser that doesn't follow the Chromium open source base. Is it, in this time and age, is it something we need to have a browser that is different than everything else? Or for developers and programmers, it's a problem because you got to change code, you got to change things around for Firefox to work. By making a website, Chromium only capable, well, it works on all the browsers because they're all based on the same thing. So let's see what happens next, but it will be an interesting thing to follow with Firefox to see, and Mozilla to see what happens next with their browser. If there is ever a cut off of the money that Google is actually giving them. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.